Hi everyone, Chris at Torque King here. Today's product highlight is our TK3122 upgraded drive shaft for high horsepower and lifted trucks. We can supply this custom drive shaft featuring 14 10 series U-joints end to end and a 30-degree high angle double cardan joint with a long travel slip joint built to match your truck. This kit includes everything you need for the upgrade, including new pinion yoke, crush sleeve, pinion nut, washer, 4 new grade 8 bolts at the CV at the case, and a new bolt and strap kit for the pinion yoke. These are custom built to your rig, so we need your measurements to have it built for you. Give us a call or an email and we can help you get the right measurement. Buy the TK3122 at torqueking.com on the web. The link is in our description below, and while you're looking there, give us a like and a comment. It really does help us reach more people just like you. Then subscribe to see more of our product highlights. We've been around for over 30 years and plan to be around at least that much longer. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.